is Anton here at Legit Automotive. We got a 2007 Subaru WRX. We're gonna do a basic oil change for you guys. First things first, let's pop the hood, find the oil cap. This is your oil cap, let's pop this off. Now, let's go ahead and lift the vehicle up. If you're gonna be using a hoist, make sure it's on the locks, because if that car falls on you, you ain't coming back. So underneath, you're gonna see there's a splash band. Most of them have it. So on each side, you got 2 clips here, and 5 12mm bolts you want to take off. So let's get going. Try not to snap them. Most of them will, depending on where you live, because of the weather change. But 12mm bolts over here. This should just come off easily. This is the oil pan. You got your drain plug, 17mm. You got your oil filter here. There's a special tool you can use if you can't pop it off by hand. Loosen it. Alright, once it's loosened, grab it. And then there you go. Grab your oil filter tool. Let's loosen this bad boy up. Twist off just a little bit. Let her drain for a second, then we'll take it off. Alright, once she's done draining, let's take it off and put the new one on. Let's grab a dab of oil. You want it around the seal, or else it ain't ever coming off. There you go. Let's put it back on. Always put it hand tight so you don't pierce the filter with your tool. Grab your drain plug. Be slow with it if you're not used to it. You don't need to be too hard on it. You ain't at home by yourself on a Friday night, you know what I mean? Don't need to. I'll clean her up a little bit. And then we'll put the splash band back on. Alright, now let's put the splash band back on. Couple of clips. And then you finish with your bolts. So as you can see, there was quite a bit of oil underneath this car. This client had an oil leak coming from the PCV hoses at the top of the engine. That's been addressed. We're just gonna have to clean her off, make sure she looks good. Alright, we got 4.5 liters of 5W30 synthetic oil. Make sure you run synthetic in your turbo Subarus. Okay, so screw on your funnel here. Let's go ahead and dump this oil. What you want to do is start up the car, let it run for a bit, make sure the oil is circulating. dipstick, wipe it down, put it back in, and that's how you check your proper oil level. That's how you do a basic oil change on your 2007 Subaru WRX.
That's a good start.
No, the funnel.
And the